Good morning friends, myself Niranjan. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 20th March, which is International Day of Happiness, which is observed to recognize the importance of happiness in lives of people, and it is observed from 2013. In 2015, United Nations launched 17 Sustainable Development Goals which seek to end poverty, reduce inequality and protect our planet. These three key aspects lead to well-being and happiness. So today let's have a watch on the history of events happened on 20th March in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Let's start. Question number 1. Who is the eldest son of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, born on this day in 1615? Answer: Dara Shikoh. Question number 2. Which year on this day was the Dutch East India Company formed? Answer: 1602. Question number 3. Which Indian author and journalist died on this day in 2014 is well known for his book Train to Pakistan, based on his experience during India's partition? Answer: Khushwant Singh. Question number 4. Which Indian businessman and tennis player born on this day in 1952 whose son is also an international tennis player? Answer: Anand Amritraj, and his son is Stephen Amritraj. Question number 5. Who is India's first golf player born on this day in 1973 who has played on Asian Tour and European Tour and later won the tournament of US based PGA Tour? Answer: Arjun Singh Atwal. Question number 6. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1921 served as the governor of Tamil Nadu from 1988 to 1990 and as the governor of Maharashtra from 1993 to 2002 and was High Commissioner to United Kingdom from 1985 to 1987? Answer: P.C. Alexander. His autobiography is Through the Corridors of Power, and his other books are My Years with Indira Gandhi and The Perils of Democracy. Question number 7. Which Indian playback singer born on this day in 1966 has the record of 7-time winning from 36 nominations of the Filmfare Award for Best Female Playback Singer, who started singing bhajan for Akashvani at the age of 6 and whose first song was for film Payal Ki Jhankar in 1980? Answer: Alka Yagnik. Alka Yagnik is remembered for her song Mere Aangne Mein in Lavaris and Ek Do Teen from Tejab, which was a mega hit. Question number 8. Which Nepalese politician died on this day in 2010, was born in Bihar and later went on to become Prime Minister of Nepal for 4 times? Answer: Girija Prasad Koirala. Question number 9. Which year on this day was the first World Sparrow Day observed? Answer: 2010. It is observed to raise awareness and protect the house sparrows, which are not seen nowadays due to the increasing noise pollution and also the increasing number of towers. Question number 10. Which book of Albert Einstein was published on this day in 1916? Answer: the general theory of relativity. Question number 11. Which Italian chemist invented electric battery on this day in 1800? Answer: Alessandro Volta. Question number 12. Which Viceroy of India died on this day in 1925? Answer: Lord Curzon. He is remembered for his role in Partition of Bengal in 1905. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe. And if you are watching the channel first time, then press the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Thank you.